Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add withdrawal address on Binance app. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left and tap on the Binance icon. Just tap on it. Now go to the top right and tap on the cogwheel or the settings icon. Just tap on it. And in here, as you can see, we have the option for withdrawal address. Just tap on it. Now go to the top right and tap on the plus sign. Tap on it. And here, go ahead and select the coin by just tapping on the select coin section. Tap on it. For example, you wanted to add USDT. Then the address right here, make sure that you copy it and long press to paste that in here. Once done, go ahead over to the network. Tap on it. Now, for example, you wanted Tron TRC20 address origin, for example, from platform like Coinbase or maybe Binance once more, KuCoin right here, Bybit, or even OKX. All right. You have the option for wallet as well. All right. Just click on platform. For example, Phantom Wallet. We'll hit on confirm. Wallet label, just go ahead and rename it. For example, withdrawal address USDT X Phantom. Just like that. Hit on done. And just simply tap on the save button. And that's basically how you do it. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.